Hey everyone, my name is Natalie Carson. I'm a diamond wellness advocate with doTERRA essential oils. And today I'm going to talk to you about creating a link to help your prospects get back to your doTERRA replicated website. And before I do, I'm wearing one of my favorite shirts, which is Oil Up Buttercup. That is exactly what we do and exactly what we help inspire others to do as well. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. And what you're going to do is you're going to log into mydoterra.com and you're actually going to click over account profile, and it's going to take you to this page down here where it's going to say my business. Under my business, you're going to click link generator. Now this is where you guys create links for your prospects. Now you can create a link for them to sign up, a link to help educate them on a product, or a link just to add items to a cart without enrolling them. I don't use this one as much because I always come over here to educate and help sign people up, because obviously they're going to save so much more money with a wholesale account. So if you would like to just educate your prospects, so say if they're like, hey, I would like information on past tense essential oil. I just want to learn about relieving tension. You can actually select this right here, generate a link. And this right here is going to take you to a link. I convert it to a shorter link, and you can just copy it straight from there. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what that is, because you actually have to log out of your account to come back and check this out. So you can't be in this system right here. It's not going to show you what you're going to get. You would log out. So I'm not going to log out yet because I want to share with you some other things. So I copied and pasted that link for past tense. And before I show you that, though, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to share with you if you would like to sign them up. So if they're like, hey, I really want to get that family essentials kit, or I really want to get this kit, you want to make sure your enroller and sponsor ID is here, which it will be if you're logged into your account. And obviously they're going to be a wholesale customer. Maybe they will be a wellness advocate. That's a discussion you can have with them. And then you're going to pick which enrollment kit that they would like. So let's say they really, really wanted the Home Essentials enrollment kit. You're going to add that to your cart. But if they're like, oh my gosh, I want that Home Essentials enrollment kit, but I want to add a fractionated coconut oil to make roller bottles, right? So you can add a fractionated coconut oil to that order. And right here, generate a link. So again, you can shorten that. You can email that link, and you can copy that link, and you can literally say, hey, I'm going to send you a quick link to get you started. This is going to take them directly to your account with no questions asked. And then they're going to have everything that they want in their cart. Obviously, they can change it on their end as well. So I'm going to actually log out of my account, which is really important to do before you check these links. And then I'm going to copy and paste that link that I had for that past tense, so you can kind of see what they're going to be getting on their end. Here it is. So they're going to get your name up here, the product that they would like. They're going to get all the information on past tense that they could possibly get. And if people are interested in past tense, they all might also be interested in these other products as well, because it helps with tension and feelings of ease and calm, which I think is really cool. doTERRA has done that for us. So this is one of my favorite parts. When you click add to cart, watch what happens. They're going to go up to their cart, or they're going to review their order, right? And it's like, wait a second. If you become a member, you're going to save $6.50. And if you just buy it as is, it's going to be $26. So it's better to actually obviously become a member. So they can click continue, or they can click start saving. And right there, it takes them to enrolling with you, which I think is super cool. So that is it. That is how you create a link generator. I love creating these link generators for every single enrollment kit that there is. And I have them saved in my notes section on my computer. So as soon as they're like, I would like a Home Essentials enrollment kit, I'm like, great, let me send you that link and you can get started on your end. All right. Again, my name is Natalie Carson. I hope that helps you create these links for your teams and to grow your business and to give your prospects ease and flow while they're enrolling with you. Okay. Have a fantastic day and be well. Bye-bye.